Hello, viewers. When we buy a new sewing machine, we always think what are the materials that we must have at home. So, here is a list of things that you need to purchase if you are going to start sewing at home. This is called as tracer wheel. If you want to trace a design, then just rotate this wheel on the top of your design. This product may not be available in shop, so you can purchase it online. So here I have purchased a box of bobbins. It contains 100 bobbins. I purchased this from wholesale market, and also I purchased a box of needle threader. If you have normal machine or interlock machine, this needle threader would be very useful if you're finding it difficult to needle the thread. So this is also from wholesale market. Now this is called as bobbin winder, and I paid 10 rupees to purchase this. And towards the right you could see a yellow wheel that you need to insert and use this screwdriver to wind your bobbin. I normally prefer removing this yellow wheel and directly use the screwdriver to wind the bobbin because it helps to wind the bobbin faster. Now let's see what next. So here I wanted to stitch a padded blouse. For that reason I purchased this cup, and you can get these cups in all sizes, little cheaper in wholesale market. Now you must have few sets of pipings at your home if you're stitching a dress, a blouse or any top. Then always try to keep golden, black and silver piping at home. So this is silver one. I also have, this is golden and I also have silver. Now these are different types of elastics. You may use it in palazzo, ghagra, skirts, cigar pants and so on. And the narrow elastic that you could see here, I normally use it for bra strap, and if I want to make some other things. Now here we call it as French curve. You normally use this to make neck designs and armhole shape. So this is also useful and available in all stores where you get sewing machines material. Now let's see what next. Here these are zippers. You also get little durable and kind of thicker zippers. The price range would vary depending on the quality. So I purchased this from wholesale market. If I'm stitching ghagra or if I want to attach these zippers for pockets, then I can use this. Now this is normal silver lace. Sometimes it is useful if you want to attach it to the border of your kurta or sleeves. Now this is a hook packet. I paid 50 rupees to purchase this from wholesale market. So always try to buy things from wholesale market. You can save some amount of money. And these are long needles. You can ask them needles to stitch quilt. If you are giving a running stitch, then you can make use of these kind of needles. Next thing over here is tailoring chalk. It is very needed. I joined a tailoring course and completed 6 months, so I used almost 2 to 3 boxes. So this is very important. Now let's see what next. These are touch buttons. We normally use it inside kurta towards the shoulder part from inside, so that bra strap will not be visible. So these strips also came in one particular box from wholesale market. Now let's see what next. This is a DIY which I made at home and video already uploaded on the channel, and these are all pins, and we call it as seam ripper. You can remove any stitch which you do not want, so this is useful. Seam ripper costs 7 Indian rupees. This is a normal scissors to cut paper. When you are a beginner, you may need this, because we normally do paper cutting in the beginning, then we try to cut on the fabric. Now here we could see this is a mat. I use it for pattern making. This is also optional. This is oil gun. I purchased this from hardware shop because I did not get this in a shop where we get tailoring materials. So finally I purchased this from hardware shop because online it was costly. Now this is L-shaped scale. Whenever you buy a fabric, when you open the fabric, sometimes the edge of the fabric is not straight. So by placing this scale, you can cut the fabric properly, evenly from both the ends. This is little longer, so you need to have a proper space to keep this at your home. And now this is a normal scissors for fabric cutting, and this is called as thistle. When we do a hand stitch hemming, it is important. We call it as cutter, thread cutter. So you can place it on the table of your sewing machine, so that even if it falls, it will not break like scissors. Now next is here, this is a needle, size is number 8. We can use it for hemming for blouse or dress. And now these are sped poly threads. I like Amito, I like Sun brand and also Moon brand. But in India, we have Dhanashri threads that I do not prefer to use. Now some fancy buttons that you can keep in stock, and this is a patch which you can use on torn jeans, and this is also thistle. to protect your hands from needle, and it is a full coverage. The top part also is covered, and this is called as thread. We normally use this to make piping. If you want piping of the same fabric of your dress, then place this thread in between and stitch a piping. Now this is a normal lace collection of lace, and this box is a 6 compartment box. Purchase this from wholesale market. So all my tailoring stuff I try to put it into this. Now this is canvas paper. We use it at the bottom of our salwar. Sometimes we use bukram as well, and this is called as loop. This is loop turner, very useful, you get it online. And this is called as velcro. If you're stitching sofa covers, then this may be useful. Again, it is optional. And let's see what next. This is a normal big size pin to insert your knot. We call it as nada. So I keep this, or if you want to insert an elastic for your pant, then you can make use of it. These are pens, fabric markers. This is seam gauge for side slits. These are hooks and loops, so you can also buy a loop set. This is a sponge used to make gondis, to make neck design. And this is a bobbin case, sometimes it is important. Oil can of any brand is fine. And the next thing is machine belt. So you can have one pair of machine belt. If in case it get damaged, you can replace this. So guys, so many things over here. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching.